Let's talk now with Dan Ives. He's managing director of equity research at Wedbush. He has an outperform rating and an $1,100 price target on Tesla. Dan, your bullishness has been proven prescient here time and again on Tesla. What do you think, though, even of just the kind of parabolic lift in price action over the past week or so?
Yeah, it's a watershed moment. I mean, for Tesla passing the $1 trillion market cap. And I think when you look at that Hertz deal, I think that's a tipping point in terms of what we're seeing. Bulk orders, 100,000 cars. It's part of this green tidal wave. And Phil hit on it. I think we're just starting to be in the early innings of what we view as a $5 trillion market. Tesla's just starting right now. Now capacity coming on. We think this is just sort of the early innings of this playing out.
Dan, explain to those who go, okay, I get why this is a watershed movement for EVs, but why should Tesla maintain such a price premium to the rest of the market?
Well, I think Tesla has the battery technology moat, the supply moat in terms of gigas around the world, now Berlin, Austin coming in. And then you look at just the brand and the cachet that Musk has built in terms of Teslas. That's why Hertz went to Teslas. And that's why we see right now demand outstripping supply by about 10% for Tesla. Because we've never viewed, and I know we've talked about it, we never view Tesla as an automotive company. We view it as a disruptive technology player. That's why I continue to view this as a valuation. We have a $1,500 bull case. And I think now the streets are starting to appreciate the story.
How much of autonomy do you have in your price target, whether it's the current $1,100 target or maybe the more bullish $1,500 target? Where does the full self-driving scope fall within those price targets?
I mean, we have very minimal FSD in the 1,500, about $100 in terms of the bull case. That starts to get rolling. Of course, they have to work with regulators, and there's definitely been a lot of issues there. I mean, that's where you could even start to be above 1,500. And I think that's really the story here for Tesla. We view it as the biggest transformation to the auto industry since the 1950s. It's not just Tesla. GM, Ford, and others are going to be, come along the way as part of this green tidal wave. But I think what you're looking right now at, not just earnings. Remember, that profitability is massive now that we're seeing. You look at those deliveries with supply coming on.
Yeah.
I mean, this is really starting to just be a World Series performance.